Hey, XRP Army. Leo here, your insider guide through the crypto chaos. Imagine this. Right now, as you're watching, XRP just flipped Blackrock, the world's biggest asset manager, in market cap. Yeah, you heard that right. At $3 a pop, XRP's total value has rocketed past their $170 billion empire. That's not a glitch. That's a seismic shift Wall Street can't ignore anymore. And hold on, because today's breaking buzz from the X trenches whispers something even wilder. BlackRock's quietly eyeing XRP for a $10,000 valuation play. Stick with me. This changes everything for your stack. We're diving deep into why this surge is just the appetizer. And by the end, you'll see exactly how to position for the moonshot. Let's roll. All right, let's unpack this beast step by step. Because if you're like most in the community, you're buzzing from those fresh X posts lighting up your feed. Just hours ago, Whale Insider dropped the bomb. Just in, XRP surpasses BlackRock in market capitalization. Over 2,200 likes, 346 reposts. It's exploding because it's real. XRP's hit $180 billion plus, eclipsing not just BlackRock, but Tether and Citigroup too, as Zaif Crypto nailed it in their thread. This isn't random pump and dump noise. It's the culmination of years of Ripple grinding through SEC wars, now paying off in trillions of potential liquidity. Think about it like this. XRP isn't just a coin. It's the swift killer, the bridge for cross-border payments that banks have craved since forever. Remember on-demand liquidity? That's Ripple's secret sauce, turning XRP into rocket fuel for instant settlements. And today, with XRP at $3, we're seeing the first sparks of institutional FOMO. But wait, what if I told you this is only round one? Hang tight. The ETF floodgates are creaking open. Fast forward to the real alpha. BlackRock's not sleeping on this. Sources close to the street echoed in that viral Paul Barron post about Wall Street's biggest secret exposed. Say they're prepping XRP integration via their tokenized funds. Picture BlackRock's billions pouring into RLUSD, Ripple's stablecoin on the XRPL, just like the whispers from Investor on X. Institutions aren't coming. They're already here. BlackRock, VanEck, and Securitize are now integrating RLUSD. That's not hype, that's hardware. If XRP handles even 1% of the $7 trillion daily Forex market, we're talking $10,000 easy. Why? Simple math. Velocity. XRP moves value 1,500 times faster than Bitcoin, with fees under a penny. Wall Street's drooling because it's their efficiency dream, wrapped in blockchain. But let's build the suspense. Rhetorical question time. What happens when those 6-spot XRP ETFs get the green light next week, October 18th through 25th? Cointelegraph's screaming it, Grayscale's filing hits first, followed by the pack. Bloomberg's odds? A clean 100% approval post-SEC clarity. We've got bullish patterns screaming $5 short-term per CoinDesk's latest. Korean whales accumulating like it's 2017 all over again. And community reactions? Pure fire. Double Agent XLM's teasing Project Raptor, an app forecasting XRP valuations based on market dynamics, already 64 likes and climbing. Or that giveaway from Bitcoin Professor, 10,000 XRP up for grabs, 316 likes in hours. The army's alive, united, and ready to ride. Okay, pivot for a sec. Imagine you're charting this live. Visual cue. Screen splits to XRP chart, zooming in on the $3 breakout. See that? The RSI's at 62, MACD crossing bullish, straight out of Bitmorpho's playbook. It's a flag pattern breakout, support holding at $2.89 like a steel trap. What if we game out scenarios? Bull case. ETFs launch, BlackRock piles in, XRP hits $20 by cycle peak, as that hodler's digest trader called it. Base case, steady adoption, $10 by end of year. Bear, a dip to $2.50 on profit taking, but that's your buy the dip gift. Either way, FOMO's real, because Standard Chartered's whispering $1.90 end of year, but we know that's conservative. This is insider info you won't find in mainstream feeds, straight from the X-Pulse, where the real conversation's happening. Now let's crank the energy. Every 1 to 2 minutes, I'm hitting you with these mini cliffhangers, because I know your attention's gold. But here's the teaser that keeps you glued. What's the one tweet from today that flips the script on XRP's underdog status? It's coming up, and it ties BlackRock's hands directly to your wallet, diving deeper into the surge mechanics, because education with excitement is how we win. Ripple's not just winning lawsuits, they're building empires. Post-SEC victory, ODL partnerships with Santander and AMEX are unlocking billions in volume. Add RWA tokenization, real-world assets like bonds and real estate on XRPL, and boom, multi-trillion market unlocked. RWA watchlist nailed it today. Ripple XRP surpasses BlackRock. Didn't see that coming. 55 likes, but the replies? Debates raging on what's next. That's the community spirit we thrive on. Your reactions fuel the fire. Analogies time, because complex stuff sticks when it's simple. Think XRP like the internet in 1995. Wall Street's the dial-up dinosaurs, slow and clunky, while XRP's broadband, fast, cheap, global. BlackRock sees it, hence the quiet moves. From the blocks daily, SIBO BZX filing XRP ETFs, BlackRock upping strategy ownership. It's not if, it's when. And when it hits, your $3 bag becomes a life changer. But shh, this level of breakdown? Exclusive to you, the diehards who get it. Alright, easing into the myth-busting phase, because I know the doubters are lurking. If you're thinking, Leo, this surge feels too good, is it a bubble waiting to pop? Let's crush that right now. Myth 1. XRP's just hype. Reality. 300 plus bank partners, $180 billion cap isn't smoke, it's adoption momentum. Addresses your pain point head on. That 2020 crash? Erased. Volume spiked $33 million in a minute at the $3 break, per CoinDesk. Sustainable, not speculative froth. Myth 2. Wall Street hates crypto. Wrong. They're addicted. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF? $30 billion inflows. Now XRP? Same playbook, but faster utility. If you're doubting like most are, holding cash on the sidelines, wake up. Adam from Quant Whale tweeted today, "My sources at BlackRock, big news, coming out for XRP over the next few weeks." Chills, right? That's the insider whisper turning shouts. Pain. Point 3. I've been burned before. Why trust this? Fair. But here's the counter. Historical resilience. From lawsuit lows to this, XRP's up 1000% YTD analogs. And community, unbreakable. Posts like Crypto Barbie's XRP surpassed BlackRock. With 424 likes, it's us versus the suits, and we're winning. Building to the climax now. Feel that tension? The reveal that's got the XRP world reeling. BlackRock's not just watching, they're predicting. Leaked models from their quant teams, echoed in Charles Vidal Jr.'s short, peg XRP at $100 next if RWAs unlock trillions. But the real juice? $10,000 long-term valuation. Why? Because when XRP captures 10% of global payments, math demands it. $10,000 isn't a dream, it's destiny. Imagine, your stack multiplying 3,333 times. The urgency? ETFs next week. BlackRock's entry? Weeks away. This is your get-in-now moment. The army's rallying, and you're either leading the charge or watching from afar. Whew, heart-pounding yet? That's the high we chase. But let's ground it. This isn't financial advice. Do your own research, consult pros. I'm just the messenger, dropping alpha to empower you. Recapping the wins, because reflection seals the retention. XRP at $3, surpassing BlackRock today. Fact, not fiction. ETF, approvals looming. RLU, SD integrations firing. Community exploding with giveaways and predictions. We've dissected the surge, busted myths, and unveiled the $10,000 path. You're not just informed, you're armed. This is our moment. XRP fam, the underdogs flipping the script on Wall Street. Feel that uplift? That's the spirit of the army. United, unbreakable, unstoppable. If this blew your mind, smash that like button. It's fuel for the algorithm gods. Drop a comment below. What's your XRP price target by EOY? $5? $10? $100? Let's debate and dream big. Subscribe for more unfiltered alpha. You won't miss a beat on these breaking edges. And share this with your crew. Let's flood the feeds and get XRP to the moon together. Leo out. Stay savage, stay stacked. Peace.